Yeah, okay students. This is another part of application of trigonometry. Today I am going to explain some miscellaneous problems based on heights and distances. Another words you can call application of trigonometry. A man from the top of 100 meters high tower sees a car moving towards the tower at an angle of depression 30 degree. After some time, the angle of depression becomes 60 degree. The distance traveled by the car during this time is dash meters. Okay, observe friends. Yeah, this is the ground, this is the tower. Okay, yeah, initially the person is here now. First the position of car is here, the C1 you can say, position of the car. Now the person is here, this is a vision ray. We need to draw horizontal ray. So this horizontal ray, given that this angle equal to 30 degree. A, B I can say. Okay, automatically if this is 30, these two are parallel and transversal, this also becomes 30 degree. One thing. Yeah, after some time the angle of depression becomes 60 degree. This car is moving and moving towards the tower. So this is the position of the car after some time. The D is the distance traveled by the car in a certain time period. Okay, now I can say that this is the angle of vision ray and the horizontal ray. Now this total angle equals 60 degree. This total 60 degree, automatically this becomes 60 degree because parallel and cut by transversal alternate angles also. So given the height of the tower is 100 meters, just we want to find the value of D. Let it be X nana this way. Okay, let the distance traveled by car B, D meters. Next, let C to B be X meters. So given AB, height of the tower, equal to 100 meters and angle, yeah, AC to B equal to 60 indirectly, not directly. Angle AC1B equal to 30 degree indirectly. Okay, from first of all take smaller triangle ABC to tan 30. Okay, in this triangle what happened? Tan 60 degree, opposite side AB by C to B, that is equal to 100 by X, root 3 equal to 100 by X, or X equal to 100 by root 3. Leave it, this is taken as one. Next, from triangle AC1B, from triangle AC1B, tan 30 degree equal to opposite 100 by D plus X. So D plus X equal to, this is 1 by root 3, no, 100 root 3 I can say. D I want, D equal to 100 root 3 minus X. 100 root 3, just now you got X is 100 by root 3. You can take 100 common. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Or another word, 100 times of 3 by root 3. 2 by root 3, sorry. Root 3 3 minus 1 2, no? 200 by root 3. Or 200 root 3 by 3 meters. This is the distance traveled by the car. Next question, second question. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the top and bottom of a building of height h are 30 degree and 40 degree respectively. The tower and building stands at the same level, then the height of the tower. Easy problem undi nana. Yeah, this is the ground, this is the tower, and this is the building. Okay students, so AB is the building, CD is the tower. So what is given? The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from top of the building and bottom of the building. Top of the building, this, okay, sorry, this is vision ray. We need to do horizontal, this horizontal ray. So given that this angle is 30 degree. What next, Nana? Now from bottom, top of the, this is vision ray, horizontal, this angle is given as 45 degree. Height of the building is h. We want to find height of the tower. Let it be some k. Let this is equal to some x. And if two right triangles are there, by use right triangles you can find. Okay, given height of, height of building equal to h meters. Let height of tower be k meters. Let B, A, B, D, this one, okay. Let BD equal to x meters. Okay. So from triangle CDB, tan 45 degree, opposite side DC by BD. DC means k, BD means x, therefore k equal to x, result number 1, because tan 45 1. Now I want to take this is, I want to take this E something, E from triangle CAE. CAE I will write next, from triangle CAE, yeah, tan 30 equal to CE by AE. So what is CE means? Total k minus h, k minus h. AE and BD are both are same, BD, that is equal to k minus h by x, 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to k minus h by x, or x equal to root 3 times of k minus h. So what you got here, instead of x I can write k now, k equal to root 3k minus root 3h. Okay students, I want k now, that's why root 3h equal to k times of root 3 minus 1, or k equal to root 3h by root 3 minus 1, or rationalizing root 3h into root 3 plus 1 by 2. I will write k equal to h times of 3 plus root 3 by 2 meters. This is the height of the meters only, no? Okay, nothing is mentioned, okay, meters. The height of the tower, we should write last conclusion. Okay, this is an interesting problem, third interesting one. If a flag of 6 meters high placed on the top of a tower throws a shadow of 2 root 3 meters along the ground, then the angle that the sun makes with the ground is dash. Interesting problem, students. So this is the ground, this is the building. On this building, yeah, a flag is there. This is I will show you 1 minute. This is the flag. red color one is flag. Okay, so this is AB is flag, BC is building. A flag of 6 meters on the top of a tower throws a shot of 2√3 meters along the ground. Listen student, interesting problem. For example, here sun is there, this is the sun ray, for example this sun ray. So A, B, C, D, DC is the DC is the total shadow, building and flag together shadow is DC, but you want to find only shadow of the flag. Means what is that? From here we need to draw a line parallel to the this AD, let it be E. So DE equal to DE is said to be the shadow made by flag stand. Okay, now you want to find this angle, this is, let it be theta. Obviously these two are becomes parallel same time, no, at same time, that's why this is also theta only. So these two are parallel. Now we want, this is given as 2√3. Now you want to find theta. This is the information. Once again listen, a flag of 6 meters high, I can say the flag stick, whatever it may be, on the top of the tower throws a shot of 2√3 meters along the ground. Then the angle that the sun makes with the ground is this angle should find. Interesting, these two are parallel. So do one thing, let it be, this is X and this is Y. Okay, now I want to take first smaller one, triangle. You need to write steps, Nana. I don't want to write. From BCE, actually you need to write steps. What is AB, what is DC, everything should write. Tan theta equal to Y by X. Okay, from triangle ACD, tan theta equal to 6 plus Y by 2√3 plus X. Both are equal to tan theta only. This is 1, this is 2. From 1 and 2, 6 plus Y by 2√3 plus X is equal to Y by X. So our intention is to find theta. Theta means we want to find the relation between X and Y. Then after I can find Z, that's not a big problem. So using this I will find relation between X and Y. 6x plus xy. 6x plus xy is equal to, students, you need to create the relation between y and x. For example, y equal √3x like that, then after that you can find theta. So 6x plus xy, 6x plus xy, okay, equal to 2√3y plus xy. I think xy get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 3s are √3 times √3 times are √3x equal to y. Now I want to take first equation, tan theta equal to what you have, that is y by x. So that is, instead of y I can write √3x by x, that is equal to √3. So what I got, Nana? Tan theta equal to √3. Theta motion should 60 degree. So the angle made by sun ray with the ground is 60 degree. Should write conclusion. Okay, now next problem. At the foot of a mountain, the elevation of its summit means highest point in that mountain is 45 degree. After ascending 100 meters toward the mountain, up a slope of 30 degree inclination is found to be 60 degree. The height of the mountain is, interesting problem, actually students listen, I want to explain what the meaning of the problem. This is the mountain. So this peak, that is called summit. Okay, this summit, peak. At the foot of the mountain, here, don't think that this is the foot here. This is the foot of the mountain. At the foot of the mountain, the angle of elevation of the its summit is 45 degree. Means we need to join this and this. So Actually this is the ground should be parallel, so according to the problem this is 45 degree. Okay, after ascending 100 meters toward the mountain, means a person is ascending the mountain, he is ascending the mountain after 100 meters. So you observe the top of the summit again. So what happened? Towards the mountain up to a slope of 30 degree, this 30 degree he is walking, and after some time you observe the again summit make an angle of 60 degree. So this angle means from here you need to draw parallel to ground, this angle is equal to 60 degree. Then height of the mountain, I will take this. Now this is the height of the mountain should find. So this is the rough sketch now. I think understood. Initially this the foot of the mountain, the elevation of the summit is 45 degree. Okay, after ascending 100 meters toward the mountain, walking towards mountain, up a slope of 30 degree, inclination is found to be 60 degree, the inclination with the ground. Okay, yeah, this is the diagram. Now I want to complete the problem. So this is interesting one only, Nana. Observe. So I want to draw diagram linearly. So I can say this is the mountain, this is the ground. So initially this is foot of the mountain, I can say A is the foot of the mountain, CD is the height of the mountain, this is the foot of the mountain. So initially this is a vision ray, this angle is given 45 degree. Okay, on this a person is traveled up to some distance. What is the given? The distance is 100 meters. Okay, now this angle is given 30 degree. From here again the person is observed that the peak of the mountain as with 60 degree. So here we need to draw horizontal line. This is horizontal. So given that this angle equal to 60 degree. That's all. This is the information. Using this information you will find the height of the mountain. Let h be the height of the mountain. Okay, A, say this is B, this is C, D, say this is E. So interesting thing here also you need to draw a perpendicular F. Okay, let height of mountain be h meters. Okay, everything you should write, Nana. I don't want to write, just I want to mention that AB equal to 100 meters. Yeah, what next? Just you take this is x, you want you can take this x, this is y, this is also y, this is z, even this is z. Okay, mention it. What is that? AF equal to x, FD equal to BE equal to Z, comma BF equal to FB equal to Y. Okay, now first of all I want to take students, this right triangle 100 Y from triangle AFB. Okay, what sin 30 degree equal to y by 100, y equal to 50, 1 by 2, no, 1 by 2, 50, y equal to 50. Okay, oh, you got y equal to 50. From the same triangle I will find cos also. From the same triangle I will write cos 30 equal to x by 100, root 3 by 100, root 3 by 2 equal to x by 100, x equal to 50 root 3. So what you got now here, x and y you got. Okay, yeah, next what should I take? Okay, bigger triangle CDA, from triangle CDA, from triangle CDA tan 45 degree equal to h by x plus what that z or y, x plus z. Okay, x plus z. So x plus z equal to h. Now you got this is 50 root 3 plus z equal to h. This is 2 nana, so this is 3. What you got previous, this is 1. So what you got, we got a relation between z and h. Another relation you want to find h. Okay, that's why I want to take another triangle, that is smaller triangle CEB, triangle CEB. I will write in next page. From triangle CEB, tan 60 equal to, what is that, CE by BE, CE by BE, CE by BE. What is C? I will write h minus something, total h, no, h minus y. I write h minus y by BE. BE means z. So root 3 z equal to h minus y. We want h, no? We want h, that's all. I think already we got y somewhere. Y equal to, I think, 50. Y equal to 50, that is h minus 50, and root 3 into z also somewhere we got z. Z equal to, what, h minus 50 root 3, h minus 50 root 3, h minus 50 root 3. From 3, 1 and 2 and 3 you write 1 comma 2 comma 3. So root 3h minus 150 equal to h minus 50. I think correct only. Observe, root 3 150. Okay, okay. So h you can take comma root 3 minus 1 equal to 100, or h equal to 100 by root 3 minus 1, or 100 into root 3 plus 1 by 2. That is, therefore h equal to 50 times of root 3 plus 1. Therefore height of the mountain equal to 50 into root 3 plus 1 meters. Okay. Okay, since our fifth problem, a bird is perched on a top of a tree. Means the bird is sat on the tree of 20 meter high, and its elevation from the point on the ground is 45 degree. Okay. So for example, this is the tree, nana. So this is the position of the bird, this is the ground. Okay, height of the tree is 20 meters. Okay, height of the tree, its elevation of the top of from the point on the ground is 45 degree. From the point is there, elevation, angle of elevation of that bird is 45 degree. Okay, automatically this becomes height 20. Sorry, if flies off horizontally, straight away from the observer. So this, after that is moving away from the observer. It flies horizontally. After some time, the position of body is here. In 1 second, the elevation of the body is reduced to 30 degree. 1 second, that is important. This is 30 degree. Okay. The speed of the bird. Okay, speed of the bird. Let it be speed of the bird is x meter per second. So automatically this distance is x. Okay. So you want to find the length of the value of that x. Okay. Students, this is the tree now. This is ground. Here observer. He is observer. BC is the tree, B is bird. Initially, given that this is equal to 45 degree, flies, bird flies horizontally. So this is the position of the bird. I can say D. Okay. So this is vision ray, given that this angle equals 30 degree. Yeah, I think this is the diagram. Height of the tree is given as 20 meters. Automatic, this also being 20 meters only. C, D, E I can say. This is C. Okay. Height of tree equal to 20 meters. Let speed of bird be x meter per second. So BD equal to CE equal to, I can say x because in 1 second clearly given, 1 second, x meter seconds. Okay, that x meter should find now. Let this is x, this is x, so this is y. Let AC equal to y and angle BAC given as 45 degree. Angle DAC given as 30 degree. So I will complete now. First of all, I will take triangle BCA. From triangle BCA, tan 45 degree equal to 20 by, okay now, 20 by y directly. In examination, you write it like this: tan 45 or tan BAC equal to BC by AC, tan 45 equal to 20 by y. Okay. So y equal to 20. This is result number 1. Next, I want to take another triangle DEA. DEA from triangle DEA. Okay. Yeah, tan 30 degree equal to, yeah, opposite side is DE by AE, 20 by y plus I think x, yeah, y plus, correct one. 1 by root 3 equal 20 by y plus x, or y plus x equal to 20 root 3. Y already 20. 20 plus x equal to 20 root 3. X equal to 20 times of root 3 minus 1. Yeah, meters per second, distance of that one. Okay, okay, what is here? Correct only 20. Okay. Therefore, speed of the bird equal to 20 into root 3 minus 1 meter per second. Or sometimes you can simplify. Root 3 1.732 means 0.732 into 20 means 7.32 into 2. 2 to 0, 4, 6, 14.64 meter per second. Okay, anything you can write now. Okay, so our next problem. PQR is a triangular park with PQ equal to PR equal to 200. So, for example, this is the ground, this is the park, PQR park. So that this is 200, this is 200. A TV tower stands at the midpoint of QR. This here, this is the TV tower. Midpoint QR. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower at P and Q and R at P. This angle. So with the ground is equal to 45 degree. This with the ground 30 degree. This with the ground 30 degree. Okay, degrees nana this and all. Okay. Then height of the tower is equal to height of the tower should find. Angle from P is equal to 45 nana. Remaining 30, 30, 200, 200 is the midpoint. Okay. Okay, students, observe that I am trying to explain the problem clearly. Okay. Yeah, students, listen. This is our point P nana. This is P. Yeah, this is Q. This is R. This is the midpoint of this P. Say M. According to the problem, this is 200 meters. This is 200 meters. So this is TV tower. White one is TV tower. So what the interesting thing is, if you join P and M, automatically that should be perpendicular to the tower only, no? Any line on the ground is perpendicular to the tower, especially PM is perpendicular to the tower. So in two-dimensional sense, PM is perpendicular to QR. Two-dimensional sense, PM is perpendicular to QR. Isosceles triangle, this one, isosceles. These two are same. So this is the midpoint, this is only the median, angle of everything. So that's why, so two-dimensional sense, okay, what I can say, so PM is perpendicular to QR. In three-dimensional say, so PQ is perpendicular to tower only, PM is perpendicular to tower only, ground is perpendicular to tower only. Okay. So interesting thing is, so now I can say this is the ground. This angle is 45 degree. Now this angle with the ground. So angle of elevation from P to the tower is 40. Let this equal H and height of the tower be taken as H. This is 40. Now I will write here. So we get a right angle triangle initially. So this is H. This is 45. This is P. This is M. Yeah, something. This is whatever it may be. Say some K. So automatically this is also H only. 45 degree. What I can say, PM equal to H. PM equal to H. Now I want to write PM equal to H. Yeah. Now PM I got. This is the right angle triangle. No? PMQ is right angle triangle. In the right triangle, hypotenuse is 200. One of the leg is H. If you know QM length, I use right angle triangle property, I can find H. That is my intention. Okay. Students, listen now. Interesting thing is, yeah. Here we get one right triangle here. This is the tower. Okay, this is Q, angle of elevation. This is the ground. Okay. So what is here 90 degree? This angle is equal 30 degree. This is H. I want this I want QM. I want QM. So tan 30 degree equal to what happened in H by this QM. I can say 1 by root 3 equal to H by QM. QM is H root 3. QM is H root. This length is H root 3 now. Three-dimensional figure. This three-dimensional figure you will get now. This is how I can show you. Okay. I will try to explain you guys. Yes, see here. See here, this angle. So totally distributed diagram, no problem. So this angle is 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. This H. This is 30. What you got this? Now just now I got that is H root 3. Okay, students. So this is actual position. So what you got? I will write here. Nana. Yeah, what you got in this right triangle? You get one right triangle. I will draw that right triangle. In this right triangle, this is P, this is M, this is Q. We got this H, Nana. This H root 3. We got. This is 200. Now you can find H. That is not a big problem. So I erase all these things because everything I explained now. Okay, students. Yeah, listen now. This is P. Okay. From triangle PMQ, angle M equal to 90 degree. So PQ square equal to PM square plus QM square. 200 whole square equal to PM square is H square. That is 3H square. 4H square. 200 into 200 equal to 4H square. So 100 into 100 equal to H square. Therefore H is equal to 100 meters. Therefore height of the tower equal to 100 meters.